All right, F1 fans, let's do this. Topps F1 Lights Out 2022 F1 cards. Like the box last year, not very big, 4 1/4, a little over an inch, 4 inches that way. So small box, 62 cards in this set. So a little more than last year. I think last was 40 cards, something like that. We just have one box to open. We'll try and do it quick so you can get on with your day. I only have one box because I'm a normal person and can only afford one at a time. I think they're going around $50, $60 a box right now. What's interesting about these cards, well, this set, is that in every box you get 25 cards, 2 guaranteed parallels per box. So we're gonna have to look for those. They are pink, teal, bronze, green, blue, purple, red, rainbow, and the holy grail would be a gold frame. That's what the inside looks like. All right. So then we have these cardboard inserts. Not sure why they put those in there. And I don't know what to do with them. Last year, so we have 5 packs. Last year we had just the gold, or excuse me, silver, chrome looking, and now it's actually printed. Get some of those cardboard inserts. All right. So again, we're looking for that, that gold one. Is it in here? The one heavier than the other? Can't really tell. Maybe this one. Let's open that one last. So you have Lights Out, black and white, F2s. There's one F1 Legend. It would be Vettel. And then there's History Makers and Powertrain. And then there's a Rookie Race. It's Zhou Guan Yu. All right, so here's a Leclerc. There's the Vettel. Zhou. Carlos. And unlike the chrome version, how they turn into like a foil, like a refractor, the ones that are numbered, I found out last time, just have the numbering on them. So you kind of gotta watch out for them because you could miss it. All right, so we got Ocon. That's a cool one. Aston Martin. Everyone's favorite, Lance Stroll. Any duplicates yet? Not yet. In the 2 packs, signs. I spoke too soon. Duplicate. All right. 3 more packs to go. Hopefully everyone's looking forward to the race this weekend. Coming up quick. Azerbaijan, looking forward to it. Love that track. All right, another Leclerc. Magnussen. Hauger. There's a Lewis. And a Sergio. All right, 2 more packs. Cool looking set. Looking forward to completing the whole set. All right, so I saw a little different color in here. Yeah, let's see. Liam Lawson, F2. Another Stroll. Okay, so I spoke too soon. So this one does have a refractor, and it is a Lewis 48 out of 150. That is super cool. Stoked on that one. McLaren, Mercedes, and Russell. right on. Very cool. All right, last pack. Let's see what's up. Yeah, well, this year I guess they're making them kind of a foil image. And last year they didn't. Let's see what we have here. Fernanzo. Hey, there's Logan Sargent. Boom, there's our second one. Okay, so Carlos Sainz. Is that 48 out of 150? Again? All right, Sergio. Alex. Jack Duhan. Very cool. So we got the two parallels, and very stoked on these. So Carlos, 48 out of 150. So you can get a nice look at that. And then Lewis, very cool. This is pretty cool looking. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. It's always fun to open up and rip packs. But y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.